So one of the problems that photographers have when they're first starting out, they can't remember what poses to do. They can't remember what poses to do next. They don't know how to direct them through it. What's up, guys? I'm Mike Sasser, boudoir photographer here in Hawaii, and this is Amanda. She's gonna be helping us out today. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how this gadget is gonna help you get perfect boudoir poses every time, even if you're a total beginner, even if you're in the small space of a hotel room like we've got, and even if you're like pretty nervous on what you're supposed to say to direct your models. Maybe like you could take, if you want to, you could just something to try. If your hands like this, like with your hair, if you're comfortable with it, okay. Make sure you stay to the end of the video because the third pose is going to be absolutely the one that everybody loves, everybody buys, the girls love it. Let's go. So this has a cold shoe. It's gonna go right on your camera like this, and it's got the MagSafe magnetic mount so you can attach your phone to it. So you can grab photos off of Pinterest or Instagram or wherever you find them, but I'm gonna use the poses from the Double Your Poses course. We're gonna do 3 of them here with you today.
So this is the app that comes with the Double Your Poses course. It includes over 150 posing cards.
And we are gonna start with this pose here. You can see the pose on the left, and then as we're going through and setting it up, we can see side by side exactly how close to the pose that we're getting. And we don't have to go pick up our phone or like go look at something on our computer. It's right here on the camera, ready to go. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hop up on your knees, and then you're gonna face your body towards me here. Perfect, just like that. Okay, now I see the hair. Go ahead and pull your hair forward on the side closest to me. Yes, exactly, okay? And then I want you to, with your left hand, have her finger just barely graze her lips. Okay, so this hand, you're just gonna go real gentle like this, exactly. And then your chin's gonna be down a little bit more, okay? And then you're gonna be breathing through your mouth. And then go ahead and tilt your chin down a little bit, and your nose is gonna be facing straight forward. Exactly, so stay right there, beautiful. Okay, eyes down, chin down, breathing through your mouth, yes, amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna get this. Okay, I love that. Okay, let's do one with your other hand, just to try it and see how it looks. That's perfect. I love it, I'll back up a little bit. Eyes down, even more, kind of go like this. Yes, beautiful, breathing through your mouth. Love that. Perfect, I love it. Got it, round 1. Ow. I'm just kidding. So hopefully that pose was pretty easy for you guys. You're able to now use that pose in any of your photo shoots. And if this video is helping you out already, go ahead and hit the like button. So within the Double Your Poses course that this app comes in, we've got shoots that show a variety of body types. We've got shoots in a little tiny room, 100 square foot room. We've got a shoot that's fully nude, but I can't click on that because of YouTube. And then we've got just a bunch of bonus ones. And then within these, I've saved some favorites. So that's what we're gonna go do for our second pose. So let's go ahead and do this pose. I really love this pose, and we'll get Amanda all set up for it. Okay, so you can even show your client if you want. So you can see how she's laying on the bed on her side with her elbow here like this, chin up, her hands on her thigh. So let's go ahead and start to put you in that pose, and then we'll make adjustments from there.
Kind of like Twister.
It's a little like Twister, except we don't have red dots on the bed.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. So I'm just gonna follow this thing. So I actually want you to rotate even a little bit more. So if you keep rotating this way a little bit more. Perfect, okay, great. All right, so let's see. So I'm seeing this pose here. Go ahead and take this hand and yeah, let that elbow slide back. That's perfect. You know, chin up, and I wanna see more of your hair, so pull your hair sort of in front of your hand. Yes, even if you look at it like this, you can see it's sort of like covering your hand. Okay. Yes, amazing. Okay, so just like that, and then roll your body a little bit more towards me. Yes, perfect. Okay, so your hand's gonna come back like this, chin's gonna go up. All right, let's grab a couple shots here. Perfect. This looks great. Okay, look at me. So right now your head's down like this, and I want it up like this. Yes, perfect. Eyes closed, deep breath. Yes, that's so good. Okay, and then with this hand, here's just a little pro tip. You can just grab your underwear here and kind of put a little tension in it. That's perfect.
The great thing about doing it this way is once you have a good pose set up and you're confident about it, then you can make all of these tiny little variations, and that will add to more sellable poses you can get for your client.
Chin down a little bit more. Yeah, exactly. A little bit more engaged. Yes. Wow, I love that. So I'm really excited to show you guys this third pose. Everybody buys it, the girls love it. But before that, the other use for this is if you ever have a hard time remembering to get behind the scenes videos, you can just use your phone right here on the mount and hit record, and then wherever you're pointing, the phone's capturing. It's also especially cool if you do 0.5, and then you can see your camera in the shot. So let's do here, then you can see your camera in the shot. So as you're taking pictures, boom, you've got your camera in there to show even more interesting behind the scenes. You ready for our last pose?
I'm ready.
Okay, I don't know if maybe you could try. Tell her to lay on her back next to a window. We've got our window right here. Go ahead and lay on your back with your head over on this side. Okay, tell her to give herself a hug. So you go ahead and give yourself a hug like that. Tell her to use your arms to push your chest together. Perfect, you're rocking it, and then lift your chin up. Perfect. Okay, I'll get the exposure right on this. That's great. And then with your hair, let's have your hair all the way on this side. You're gonna go chin up, eyes closed, deep breath. Perfect, right there. One here, we're gonna get one here. That looks great. Switch your legs. That's perfect. This is such a classic boudoir shot. Once you've got like a good pose, then you can shoot it from different angles, so you don't even have to stick specifically to that. So do that same thing, chin up, eyes closed, deep breath, love that. Okay, roll your nose towards me just an inch, right there, deep breath. Amazing. And then let's just see what it looks like, a little front lip. That's great. Switch your legs. Perfect, nose more towards me, a lot more towards me, right there. Perfect. Okay, eyes at me. Woo, Amanda.
Now let's see what this behind the scenes video looks like after some quick editing.
Okay, go ahead and switch your legs. Okay, as per, a little more arch, chin up, back lifted. Amazing, one more. Nailed it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of where you can get this and the W poses if you need some more help with your posing. Thanks to Amanda for helping us out today. And if you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe. I got more videos coming out helping you guys become better boudoir photographers. Shall we continue?
Yes.